Good morning, Stephanie Kemmerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, that's right, we got to talk about yesterday's whisper. So yesterday, remember, pointed out that crazy, I call them like a spooky print on TVIX, 500,000 shares. No other software out there saw this print, but we got it on Charles Schwab. Absolutely love this platform. $8.30. And wow, look at this move that TVIX had. Again, this is not something you hold for a long time. It decays. But my traders rocked it yesterday. Eric rocked it. So great trading on that, Eric. I instead decided to short the SPY, short the Russell yesterday. So many different ways to play that. But either way, when we see stuff like that, definitely keep your eyes on that. Also, we were watching EWZ, right? Remember we spotted those big prints at $31.30. And if you recall, we were bearish only if she could close below $31.20. And you can see she closed really strong. In fact, looks like it's buying. And Cameron in the room has a really fantastic long position on an EWZ. And we were also watching MU. A lot of my traders were scalping this all day long. 23 definitely looks like the level to watch today on this. All right, so keep your eye bullish above 23. So my traders are rocking it, but one trader in particular, you guys, killed it yesterday. Harish, we call him Trader Kaka. This guy, you're gonna have to pay a lot of taxes this year, Harish. He rocked GE, GXG, WFM, UPRO, Apple, MAS, ETE, DKS, XIV, SVXY. He was taking all his profits, and the tax man's going to be very happy this year, Harish. Excellent trading, and keep it up. All right, you guys. So, what are we watching today? Well, I have my eye on oil. That's right, oil showing some weakness this morning. And here are the oil futures. Let me just bring this to your attention here. All right, so we are below the pivot, and we are making lower lows and lower highs, and we are below some very big volume that we got at about 3 o'clock in the morning. So here's how we're going to trade it. Well, how I like to trade it. USO, already in, many of us in my pit are already short oil overnight. However, the big level to watch is $11.37 on USO. If you recall, pointed out that there was a massive print there a couple weeks ago, actually. $11.37. In fact, that's why we went right down there yesterday and popped off of it. But if we close below $11.37, there's a lot of room to go on the downside. And also we spotted a pretty big print on XLF yesterday. I did tweet about it. And the print was a 4 million print at $23.53. And I think there was another big print also at that level. So we're going to use that as a marker. In fact, I'm going to go a little bit higher here to 23.60. If we close above that, would be bullish, right? If we close below 23.50, or even better, 46. We had a big print there not too long ago. All right, so really bearish below 23.46, bullish above 23.60, but we also had a big print about a week ago at 23.75. So that is another level to definitely watch if we break above 60, right? And yesterday also, I did tell you guys to watch the 225 level on the SPY. All right, so we are below some really big dark pool levels, but I would be really uber bearish if we could close below 225. All right, that's the breaking point on the SPY. So come watch me trade these stocks and so many more in the Java Pit trading room. And I just want to wish everybody a happy holiday. Happy trading, everybody.